Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to play YouTube video in background in any Android device. So guys, if your Android device doesn't have the feature to play the YouTube on background, so don't worry guys, we have a third-party application. All you guys have to do is just go to Play Store and install the application called Black Screen. So this one is the application. Then install this. Now tap to open. Okay, so all you guys have to do is first select the clock style. I am selecting this one and the floating log style. After that, just tap to start. Firstly, you have to give the permission, go back, and that is it. Now tap to start. So now guys, just go to YouTube and open any music. Okay, after that you have to tap on the log so that the screen is now logged and the YouTube video is running on the background. If you want to open it, so just double tap and tap to unlock. So that's how guys we can play YouTube video in background in any Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.